Good morning. This is the day of maybe change in the history of the Al Aman English Medium School. You people are waiting for listening who is taking your full responsibility. So, every year we are conducting like ceremony. Today also we finalized our investiture ceremony. Today this is the moment. It's a very fantastic and happy moment for the children. As a principal, I am also proud of you standing in front of you, because as a parliament, how the real election is going on in the world, not only India, different types of the election is coming. Especially we follow our Indian democracy, and you people understand what is the importance of the democracy nowadays. It's very important you by the classes, the school time you study about that one. So this is the aim of we are conducting our school election. In our school parliament, you elected some members, and so first of all thank you all the students and teachers. One who is practicing behind this effort. So, and here I must heartily welcome our invitation received and always behind us, respected our PTA President Mr. K. M. Bashir sir. I like that our chief guest is Yusuf Malik sir. He is coming very soon. We have been one call, and like that PTA Vice MTA President Rashida Madam and the Vice Principal Ina Madam and all other PTAs, especially the absence of our Managing Director Mr. Anand sir. In his absence, and I wish him also this occasion. So, every year we are conducting this. What you can study from this election, and India is a democratic country, not only the biggest democratic country of the world is India. So, how the parliament is elected by the people, like this, the same method we use, and you already understand and you already know about the election also. So, I welcome you in this session, all the elected candidates, leaders, welcome you in this session. And the class A is also sitting from here, from 5th class to 7th class ladies. Class ladies, how are you ladies? You are the responsible person. Next time you will be coming in the front seat, okay? And the session already you know, the presidential ceremony, and they will be taking the responsibility. I request all the leaders, you are the leader of the students, so you are the captain of the students, so that's why what is their problems, what is the students facing the problems, you want to understand, you want to solve this problem also. From today onwards, up to last final examination, many activities is going on in our school, so all the activities must be participated and you make the leadership also. Okay. Especially I want to tell next day, August 15th we are going to make a big function, big program. So that is what is we are expecting your all the cooperation also. So 8th class students and 10th class students happily welcome you in this session. 10th class especially are fighting for the books, and and examination. So anyhow they reach here for to forget everything. So thank you. And like this, every time cooperate with us, Professor Mustafa sir. Welcome you sir. And the new communicating English teacher, Mr. Rafiq sir also, he is doing very effective. And most of everyone, in my family, I give the congratulations to your teacher, especially the third class teacher, Fatima teacher. She was the election commissioner. Under her leadership, some other teachers also. Shilpa madam, in the absence of Rega madam, she always absent. She is not here. Suppose she want to come here, maybe she forget, no problem. And our photographer, another teacher also, very interesting for to eagerly waiting this session. Okay, so thank you. Give a big clap for the teachers. Clap. Clap. Okay. After you all the people are waiting for to speech of our PTA president and Rashida madam also, I know very well. So before that one, for the relaxation, I request please Rafiq sir, please come on the stage and give some deliver a small speech to our leaders. You can accept from him. And after that, Bashir sir, you give their children are waiting for your story. Okay, you tell your. You know already he says soldier, especially, so he will give the instruction of the discipline and everything like that. Okay. And after that, the Yusuf Parker sir will come and he will give the ceremony after. Vice principal will be give word of thanks, the section will be wider. Please, Rafiq sir, come on the stage and give deliver a small.